Okay. Hi, YouTube. Haven't quite started my workout yet. Getting ready to start now. Um, I just thought I'd come to y'all and let y'all know that I am going to try and do insanity. That is going to be fun. Very, 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 very much, so much, very fun. So, I'm going to try insanity. As y'all all know now, I'm down to 249. Woo! Out of the 50s. What I was hoping to get out anyway. I was probably only, 4 pounds into the 50s. So, altogether, I done lost a good amount of weight. But I'm down to 249.8, I want to say. So I'm going to try insanity. I am going to record it by week. So week 1 is going to start today. I'm going to do an insanity and videotape it. That's going to be the only one I videotape. And in a week, I'll videotape my next one. Because I have to do a weigh-in on Sunday. So we'll see how much weight I lost from week 1 to week 2 to week 3 to week 4. Anyway, that's just how my weeks are going to go. It's a 2 months, so I'm gonna try to do insanity for 2 months. Pray for me, guys. I'm already in pain from them 2-hour walks that I did for 2 days. But I'm still feeling good and I'm going to get this workout in. So hang in there with me. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my old subscribers. Thank you for all the support I'm getting. I'm really appreciating it. It's keeping me going and keeping me motivated. So woohoo to insanity. Because I'm being insane. Thank y'all. Bye.